Hey there, welcome. If you've ever wrestled with brittle workflows, you'll love this. Unmeshed gives our user detailed monitoring when you need it, the ability to scale without limits, and reliable operations that just work. Let's jump in. So, how easy is it to design a process in Unmeshed? Let's take a look. When you log in, this is the dashboard that you see in, and you can see some quick actions that you can take, like new process definition, new schedule, new agent, and so forth. You can also access these shortcuts from the menu. Let's go ahead and choose New Process Definition. A process definition is the most fundamental element in Unmeshed, which is where you compose the required steps you want to run. You assemble them in the order that you want it to run, and then you give it a name, and you execute that through API calls or through the UI, or other means such as triggers on events. So, let's design a quick process that does 3 HTTP calls to your backend. Let's call it HTTP calls, and it's as easy as dragging it from the left menu. So as you drag from the left menu, it'll show you where you can drop it, right? This gray zone is a place where you can drop it. What it means is if you take it and drop it on the top, it'll reorder it. If you bring it down, it'll reorder it, and so forth. So that's how easy it is to assemble steps. So, if you make a mistake and put it in the wrong place, you can always rearrange it. You can delete it by clicking on the delete icon and add it again. And if you notice as you drag and drop, the references are automatically added with some incrementing numbers. But you can, of course, change it to what matters more to you. So let's say these 3 calls are, for example, getting a customer, getting an order, and getting shipping details, right? This is let's just assume, some kind of e-commerce use case. Then we have to assemble them all. For example, in a script. And you can put that as the end, and then there you go. You just have created your key elements of making that process that fetches data from customer service, auto service, and shipping service, and then assembling them all in a script. Once you have it, you click Save. The first time you save, you will see a diff view, which has nothing on the left and everything on the right. And that's expected because you're saving it for the first time. So let's take a look at that. So you click that save on the diff view once again. And now if you change something, let's say it's changed something here, and if you click save again, now the diff is only limited to what you changed. So that's a quick way to know what happened. So when you click the save for the first time, it hasn't saved anything yet. It's showing you what it's about to save, and click save again, and it's done. And once it's updated successfully, you will see the notification as well. Once you have this, you will see the options to run it. You click on the test run process, which is on this right panel, on the right side here, and it shows you what input it needs. In this case, we haven't configured anything as an input, so it's blank. You can either enter it as a JSON view or a form view if there was parameters provided. I click Run to test it. Once you run it, it shows you the ID that it created, and you can click on it and see that it runs successfully. And the timeline view shows how long each step took and how fast it completed. All this UDP step was ridiculously fast, and the script took about 40 milliseconds. If you want to rerun this, you can rerun it from here, or you can go back and do the same test step. Once again, timeline view, now the script is more optimized, because the script is now cached and managed more effectively in the platform. So even that took just 1 millisecond. This is how you can compose a cross-definition and test it by running it. And that's it. You're all set with Unmeshed. If this was helpful, check out our other quick guides to explore more features. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or visit our docs for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.